Hi friends, Paul Benedict here, sharing with you a little bit about what the upcoming Clarity Workshop weekend is going to be all about. Now, many of you are used to taking physical yoga classes, and so am I, and I love teaching physical yoga. There's another side to the coin though, and that's all the introspective work that we know exists in yoga, but we don't always acknowledge it when we're doing physical practice. So this weekend workshop is all about that side of the coin. We're going to dive into our psyches and understand what the depths of our mind is really trying to tell us. But a lot of times we are too noisy and chaotic to really hear it. Clarity. What does our soul see for our life that we might not be seeing? We're going to uncover our dharma, our grand purpose for this life. That's a big thing, right? That's a big ask, but that's what we're going to do. Friday night, Saturday, and Sunday, we have multiple sessions. We'll dive deep into our souls and inquire and unblock, and receive. So there'll be a lot of discussion, a lot of introspection, journaling, meditation, guided yoga nidra, breathwork practices. There will be 2 power flow classes that I have the pleasure to lead at Half Moon Yoga, and also sound meditation with crystal sound bowls and gong. Those will be Friday evening and Saturday evening. The weekend is rich and it's full of opportunities to uncover that which was covered. Specifically for our workshop, the teachings are based on something called Purushārtha, which is an ancient Vedic teaching, which means the desires of the soul. And there's a book called the Four Desires that this course is based on. There are several major touch points that we will achieve by the end of our time together, and that is creating a Dharma code, which is a statement of our mission in life. We'll be creating smaller goals that support our overall Dharma. Those are called sankalpa. And we'll boldly walk into the realm of the ego and uncover what we refer to in yoga philosophy as a vikalpa, that part of our unconscious self that sabotages our success sometimes. It's deep work, it's important work, and we're going to support each other. I can't wait to see you there. Namaste.